Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show off my Mac upgrade. Recently I updated my Mac to Mac Sonoma. This is like 14.0.4 and it really looks nice now. So if you talk about what is my current version, this is Mac Sonoma 14.4.1, right? And it really looks nice. I actually started exploring the different features of this one. So this is currently Maxonema 14.0.4.1, and I was just exploring, okay, what is new, and I really like lots of features. You can see these widgets which are appearing here. These all are the widgets which I just have added recently. So what are these widgets and all? So we'll just go through some of the features. I mean, I don't create these videos, but I really like when I upgrade it. So you can actually, once the update is complete, you can actually plug in all these widgets on your screen. So that's really nice, like all the stickies, images, or whatever you want to, like the calendar, clocks. So lots of things you can put on top of your widgets, and that gives you really a nice reminder of everything. Here these are the different clocks, podcast. So you can also, in Safari I also see one new feature that you can actually create a app by for a particular website. And here you can see tips, weather are the basic things, but this is really nice feature which I was not expecting, and I have it now, so I started using it. And here you can actually plug and play with all these different features. The another updates, like if you wanted to really know like what are the updates in the Sonoma screensavers, I cannot turn off, I cannot put my system on idle screen. But this screen is something which is really funny for my kid, that whenever my laptop goes on idle mode, we can see this moving screensaver, which is really nice. And there are lots of new screensaver. This is the widget on the desktop, right? This makes it really nice and beautiful design. Here you can plug in your reminders, widgets, calendar, clocks, and everything. And you can also sync, if you have the phone, you can actually sync your widgets to your system. On video conferencing, this is the update on your uh, this application. So what are these applications? Like when you start going on a video call, right? Even if you are doing a Zoom, then actually you can actually do a backdrop of, this is how it really works with a Zoom. Okay, you can also do this with if you just try to do the with the FaceTime, right? You can actually, whatever you are presenting on the screen, you can actually put yourself on front. So this is like features which you see on the Teams, but now this is really nice. You can actually do all those sort of animations on top of your video call, which I haven't tried, but this is going to be something amazing. And let rest all these features which are related to the Mac applications, like iMessages, iPhotos, notes taking is also a little bit improved. But these widgets are something which I really like. Rest all are like security updates, how you wanted to lay out your monitors. I think that's also something somewhat changed. Like this is a screen mirroring in two different modes, take manager or screen manager. You can control lots of things now, but I think they put more focus on the display part, how it really looks like, and all those features are really amazing. So you can, if you have Mac M1, you can upgrade it to Sonoma, and you can explore all these set of features, which are really nice. Okay, that's it. It's just like a quite a quick show off for the upgrade, because I was excited, and I wanted to share like these are really nice features. And after that, there is a small tweak you need to do. You need to run this command xcode select, because once you install this, there might be possibility that you will lose control on developer tools. So what you need to do, so once you start using the git bash or something, then you will start getting errors. And to fix those errors, and if you see any issue with the developer tools, you can do xcode select install. I mean, it just like you just need to repatch the developer tools, so you can again started using your developer tools, Git Bash, JDSS terminals, and everything. Rest all, you don't need to do anything with this upgrade. Everything works as expected, and it's really nice. So that's just quick updates which you can also do to your systems.